Alright, we have points race today, and so we're racing the Traxxas Modified, Valencia NASCAR, and the High Rock. So stay tuned, watch some racing, and let's hope we do pretty good. We'll see. Sorry.
It was in the box an hour ago.
Seconds in, we got David Long out front. He is dominating the field right now.
Woo!
We're close. Right? There's Olson.
Oh. Go ahead.
Whoa, what'd you say, David?
I said go ahead. I didn't say sorry.
Then today we got Chad out front now. John is 2. David gonna drop to the 3. I like it, David.
I'm having traction rolling issues.
I'm too busy working on my figure 8 truck.
He's jumped now, it's been on its roof. I'm driving like you stole it.
That's made for it. No returns now, John. No returns.
He told you it's a race winning car, right?
Yep.
I mean, you should be able to return it if it doesn't win.
No, I said Kurtz is a race winning car.
Oh.
Chad out front, he's on a 52.502. He's going to run hot lap of the race, 5:42.
That's pretty slow.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Snowman.
John, 47.501.
Ah, come on. I didn't even dope my right front. It's like a new tire.
Peterbilt.
Three down, 2 to go.
I didn't even clean the tires. I just took it out of the box.
Sorry.
What'd you say? Got greedy. What'd you say, David?
I'm awesome.
I'm awesome.
Oh, careful in 3, careful in 3. There we go. We are down to the final minute of this one, thankfully. We got Chad, David, and John.
Oh, come on.
Careful in 4, low in 4.
You can only get better, right, guys?
Yep.
Dirt tracking.
I put a brand new freaking right front. How is it gripping too easily?
I straighten you out.
Nice of you, Chad. Straighten him out. Very sportsmanlike.
Overran my ass. Don't have to worry about traction rolling when you don't have traction. You got that, Alex?
That is time. Everybody keep going. Chad got called the line. 51.5 flat.
No man done.
Everybody done.
All drivers are finished. Long D done.
Go ahead and roll them around. We can get this one going. Maybe. Alright, next time by, Luke will be live. Here we go.
Ah, come on.
Hold on. Alright, now here we go.
Oh, sorry, baby. Ah, come on. Oh,
Watch front straight, guys. Careful in the front. Come right there. Careful in the front. There we go. Right there.
Kenzie's not here. I don't have my blocker.
Yeah. Careful on a 2. There we go. Blends into the carpet. Just about a minute in, we got John, Bud, Mike, Paige, David, and Henry. John out front, 53.5 flat. Everyone else on a 50 or below.
ah, come on, bud. Go ahead, John.
Trying to be nuts.
Yeah, get in there, John. Careful on the 4, guys. High on a 4, high on a 4.
Ah, come on.
Just flicker.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. We still got John out front. He's got about 2 seconds lead over Mike at the 2. John got right lap 5:34. Kind of fast. I don't know. Let's check that. John, Mike, Paige, your top 3. Bud, David, Henry getting around the field out. Yeah, get some.
Wheeler style. Just hold on the throttle.
Yeah, someone slows you down. So fast. Oh, here we go. 3 wide out of 4. That worked out pretty well.
That black car looks cool, but it's hard to see until you're on it.
Yep.
3 down, Giddy go. John still out front. Mike at the 2, Paige in the 3s, and both David and Henry getting around the field out.
Page is broke.
Watch the front straight, guys.
Oh.
Front straight, high in the front, high in the front. There you go, pull that one. Pick that up, throw it right in the trash. 1 part number fixed. Buy a new car. Airport 1, he's got it, never mind.
Going high. Ooh. Whoa! John!
Come on, John.
I missed everything.
45 seconds left. Careful down here in 3 and 4. Right there. Don't worry. 15 seconds to go. Oh, come on, John. Get back, please. Man, releasing your leader coming through. That is time for the master flash. Everybody keep going. David, the only one done. John done. One done. Looking for Mike.
All drivers.
Marshall's down 1 and 2 during the last race. You should be out here marshalling.
Come on, guys. What the hell?
Give it help. Help.
Come on.
Move your cover, done
All right, go ahead and roll around. All right, here we go.
Ooh. Oh, whoa. Didn't mean to do that.
They got out of the way pretty fast.
At least it didn't cause a wreck.
45 seconds in, we got Tyler, Brandon, John, David, and Paige. Tyler and Brandon. Tyler bumped up to 55 last 8. Brandon 54, John 53.
Keep talking about Tyler.
This cause.
Keep talking about Tyler.
Put Brandon back out front. Open line, Wade. Careful, one, low in one. Clear. That was your leader. See how it sorts out the line.
I didn't wreck ya.
2 down, 3 to go. We got John out front now, 53.504. Brandon 52.502. Tyler 51.502. David 47.504. Paige 42.503. So your leader in the red car sucking his way through traffic. That was all his fault. Paige had never hit him. That kind of was his fault. He tried to pass on the outside.
Why's the track this way if I can't use it?
Oh.
Careful, 3.
Oh.
Careful on a 4, low on a 4. Liver up, Bill.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ah.
Low on a 2, guys. Low on a 2. Yep. minute 30 to go. Brandon, John, Tyler, David, and Paige. Careful on a 2. Careful on a 2. Real low on a 2. Yeah, that'll work. Still in building angles, Tyler.
I deserve it.
Paige doing some off-road. Off-road, you got it high-sided. Low on a 2, low on a 2 again. Low on a 4 now. There we go, the roll back is going the right way. 25 seconds left. Careful on a 4.
You're fine.
Watch on a 4. There we go.
Up.
Yeah, get in there, John.
Not there, though. I'm taking the low roll.
Watch out of 2, don't commercial down in 2. That is time, everybody keep going.
Long D done. Brandon Osric done.
So, we are in the booster for Lucy's NASCAR, and we're in the booster for IRAC. We're in place for Traxxas Modified. Hopefully we can get the AMA for something. Wish us luck. I have no idea what's going on, but we're like last place or second to last place in all of our things. Except for Traxxas Modified, but we're second. So I'm not sure what's going on, but I forgot to report last session. I was in the rush for most of it, so stay tuned for round, was it 3? Round 3, so stay tuned.
Alright, we are going to get this going.
Sorry.
Here we go.
No. What'd you say?
This time, figure it out.
Yes.
Careful too, guys. Watch it too.
Good.
Kurt's going to open up with the 1083.
Yeah, he's out, boys.
Very fast. Low on a 2. I'm curious, hey, Chad on a TQ pace. Not so much anymore.
One.
Kirk out front now. Chad is Kirk, Chad, John, David, your running order. Nobody looking to improve position-wise, though.
Ah, come on.
Kirk going on 526. Low in the back. Stay low in the back. Low in the back. Still low in the back. Don't run over Bruce's toes. Not 1, 2, high and 2, real low and 2.
Sorry.
What'd you say?
Back up
I'm
to
awesome.
I'm awesome.
Dirty Kirk out front on a TQ run. Gonna reset hot lap that time by 5:25. Backs it up to 5:16.
Boo.
Dirty Kirk fan club down here. Holy crap.
Yeah, boy. Take a ride in a helicopter later today.
Yeah, right.
5:15 out of Kirk.
Woo! Come on, I'm feeling 5-0 coming down here.
Kirk, Chad, David, and John. You guys know Kirk is on a TQ run. That'll bump John down to the 2 overall, David into 3, and Chad dead last into 4.
Leader's coming through, Dad. Roll over. Nope, I'm hitting him.
Oh, look at that. Kirk driving out of his life.
Bump the run, baby.
It's okay when he laughs you again. Try again.
Hey, it's pretty good to just throw springs on it. Hope it's real bad.
Maybe we can run his hot lap, 5:37. Second hottest lap of the race.
That was a little too slidey. Leader coming through again, Dad. Oh, he's getting a door slam. That is big one.
Hit the flapper. Careful on the 2 guys. Watch out, 2.
You
Just
couldn't
clear.
handle the pressure, could ya?
Still on Tiki base. Gotta buy a lap. 54.501 out of Kirk right now. Got 25 seconds to try it.
That hurt. I'm giving him the inside, but I don't want the inside. I want to get in there and door slam you.
$20 for you, John.
Careful in the back.
Once is on
That is time. Everybody keep going.
Long D done. Dirty Kirk done. Snowman done.
Everybody done. Everyone checked in. It's going to make this one. Got my marshals. All right, here we go. Loop is going live.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
Careful on a 2. Careful on a 2. David, you can't park there.
I know.
Here we go. Everyone back up and going. It is Henry, Paige, Elliot, David, and Lucas. Henry got that rental ride. Must be pretty good.
Dude, Mike, it's great.
Best that car's ever looked, Henry. Now Henry looking to move up 3 spots to the number 9 overall.
Dude, it's... It's too slippery. Yeah, I know that. But like even like
Oh. It's alright.
Henry gonna run hot lap 584. He is out front. 230 in, 230 to go. Oh, watch the back straight.
Oh.
Dude.
they said no reverse. Hey, you said no reverse.
Hope you got the rental insurance on that. Wow. Henry, Page, Elliott, David, and Lucas, your running order. Henry's still looking to go up 2 spots to the 10 overall.
Oh, dude.
Careful down here in 3 and 4, low in 3 and 4.
I can't see how
You just cleaned up. Careful down in 3, low in 3. Uh-oh, trouble for your leader. Paige gonna get stuck. They're gonna help her out. Had to put Henry back out front. Launch front straight, low in the front. Just under a minute to go. We got Paige, Henry, David, Elliott, and Lucas. Henry looking to go 1 spot to the number 11. Good, he got into some traffic. Careful out of 4, low out of 4.
Oh, sorry, Henry. Oh.
That is time. Everybody keep going.
Johnson done.
Careful up there, guys. Watch it 3.
Henry Miller done.
Watch it 3.
Lucas K done.
Just looking for Elliott to finish. There he is. Oh, Paige gonna roll it over. Careful out of 4, low out of 4. There we go. Oh man, couldn't even use her up. Sorry. Where he was going.
Ah.
45 seconds in, we got Randy out front. He's looking to go 3rd overall. He's the only one looking to move position-wise. So Randy, Bruce, David, and Paige. Watch the back stretch. Stay high in the back. high in the back.
Oop.
Easy, guys, easy. Work together.
Inside the window.
Oh, come on.
Randy got to hang on for about 3 more minutes. He's got a 3rd place run going. What a bump food out of it, he made. Big power wheelie on a page. Careful on the front straight also. Oh, get in there, Randy.
Get in there, Randy.
Oh.
I need a new motor or something.
3rd place run. Still got plenty of time. We're not quite halfway into this one.
Oh. Oh.
Careful on a 2, watch it on a 2. Should be cleaned up by the time you get there. Maybe. Add 2 more to the pile. Back on a 53 lapper. Careful on 2, careful on 2, low on 2.
Ah.
Not quite that low, David, but I appreciate the effort.
Oops, sorry.
Careful on a 2, watch it on a 2. Yeah, right there. There we go, everybody back up and going. Minute 20 to go. Randy, Bruce, Mike, David, and Paige. You gotta pick up a couple more seconds to get back on a 5th place run.
I feel like my car is slow as hell.
I mean, I helped you, but I didn't.
Oh. Sorry, Paige.
Seconds to go. Somebody's on fire, by the way.
That's probably me. Ooh.
That is time. Careful on a 2. Everyone keep going.
Any transfer done.
Cross the line. You'll be done. Everybody done.
Nice start, Braxton.
Here we go.
Ah. Ah.
Careful 2. There we go. Slow in the back, slow in the back. Slow in the back. Rough lap for everybody in the current. First is away clean. Chris, David, Chad, and John, your running order.
I needed to turn around fast.
Sure, I'm going high.
Chris, you run hot lap 5:27.
That's fucking Kurt.
Chris got a lap on the field already.
I did
Laps into this one. David and Chad separated by just over a second. John, line down. Comes out.
He's doing the front end off of it.
Oh,
Here's out here forward. Body swapping around. Put down the inside the Chad, but disrespecting that. Pushing 2 laps down.
Got my lap back.
David in the 2 now. He's trying to put Chad a lap down.
Yes.
Laps to go. Kurt, David, Chad, John, everyone on a lap of their own.
sure, I'm going high. No.
30 laps to go. Order's still the same. Kurt, David, Chad, and John. Everyone's still on a lap of their own.
Dirty Kurt.
Kurt with 3 laps on the field.
Hey! I tried to get in there.
Is that you, Kurt?
Careful, one.
Whoa.
Again, runs hot lap 5:42. Not that hot though, Chad.
Nope.
First got a 524. David's got a 537.
Well, they're fast.
John's got a John.
Gotcha. John Repton, you sold me a slow car. Don't correct me. No, that was me hitting brakes while you slid into me.
Go. I go, Kurt.
Yes, please. Whoa.
Racing the line, you'll be done.
Done. Long day done.
That's a race.